Hello friends, welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel Gurukul Success Point. Myself Raj Chaudhary. Today friends, I shall teach you about the vector algebra formula. So friends, this formula is very important for the board examination. So friends, don't ignore this video. Let us see friends. Formula number 1, position vector of a point P. If any point P have x, y, z is given. So friends, now find r vector oblique OP vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So friends, this is the formula of r vector oblique OP vector and P is the point of position vector. So friends, now you understand this, and their magnitude will be root x square plus y square plus z square. Are you understanding the formula number 1? And formula number 2, the magnitude are direction ratio a, b, c and direction cosines l, m, n of any vector are related. If direct cosine l, m, n and direction ratio a, b, c, so friends, now we get l is equal to a upon r and m is equal to b upon r and n is equal to c upon r. So, and now formula number 3, unit vector. This is very important formula, unit vector. Now we represent it a cap, r cap, any else. So friends, now we represent it a cap is equal to a vector upon mod a vector, and we present it r cap, so it will be r vector upon mod r vector. Are you understand this? So friends, this is very important, so you can learn it. And formula number 4, scalar product of vector A and vector B. So friends, this formula is very important. Scalar product of vector A and vector B. Vector A dot vector B is equal to vector A mod into vector B mod into cos theta. Next formula friends, formula number 5, cross product. Here friends, now listen, cross product and scalar product. These formulas are very important. So friends, don't ignore these formulas. So cross product of vector A and vector B. Vector A cross vector B vector is equal to mod A vector and mod B vector into sin theta n cap. And what is n cap? N cap is a unit vector. So friends, now vector A cross vector B is equal to mod A vector into mod B vector into sin theta n cap, where n cap is a unit vector. So now you understand this. Unit vector value will be equal to 1. Now next formula friends, formula number 6, when vector A dot vector B is given, the angle theta between the vectors vector A and vector B may be determined by cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B upon vector A mod and vector B mod. Next formula, formula number 7, the position vector of a point R dividing a line segment joining the points P and Q, whose position vectors are vector A and vector B respectively in the ratio m ratio n. Then we have 2 points internally and externally. So friends, we find internally formula is given by na vector plus me vector upon m plus n. And externally formula is given by mb vector minus na vector upon m minus n. Okay friends. So friends, now next formula, formula number 8. If we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, given in component form as vector A is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap, and vector B is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. So friends, now and lambda any scalar. So then we get the formula vector A plus vector B is equal to, now we add a1 plus b1 in bracket and multiply I cap plus, and we add a2 plus b2 in bracket and multiply j cap plus, and we add a3 plus b3 in bracket and multiply k cap. And now if we multiply scalar in vector A or vector B, so now this is the form of lambda a1 in bracket and multiply I cap plus in bracket lambda a2 and multiply j cap plus lambda a3 in bracket and multiply k cap. And now we get the scalar product of vector A and vector B is equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. And last we get the cross product of vector A cross vector B is equal to in a determinant first row I cap j cap k cap and second row A1 B1 C1 and third row A2 B2 C2. Here we know the important formula of scalar product and cross product. So scalar product I cap dot I cap is equal to j cap dot j cap is equal to k cap dot k cap is equal to 1 and I cap cross I cap is equal to j cap cross j cap is equal to k cap cross k cap is equal to 0 and I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap and j cap cross k cap is equal to I cap and k cap cross I cap is equal to j cap. So friends, these are the formula of vector algebra. So these are very important for the board examination. So friends, don't ignore this video. If you like our video, so please like and share and subscribe our channel. Thanking you. Jai Mahadev.